With a look at Hedera. Okay, yesterday we finished out a bull run price target here for Hedera. Okay, we went over that. If you're interested in that video, please go check that out. We covered that yesterday. Let's zoom in here and take a look at price action and see what's going on here. All right, you can clearly see right here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves up. Okay, after 5 waves you have a correction, a corrective wave, okay, which is usually an ABC. The 4-hour RSI is right on the floor here too. Okay, now if we zoom in a little bit closer here, let's go on to hourly. Let's get this off here. All right, you can clearly see waves in here, 5 waves. All right, has it finished this 5th wave yet? Well, if we take a measurement here, and this usually works out quite often, it is dead on. All right, let's try to get it as perfect as we can. You know, it looks like it could have possibly finished this 5th wave out. You know, right here. You know, this could be a bottom in here at about 1096. Okay, you've seen this wedging up here. I don't think it's going to complete the measurement of this wedge. I think this is just finishing up this 5th wave. On the way down here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, and if you go out on a 4-hour chart, this looks a lot tighter. See what I mean? It doesn't look so spread out. I mean, if you go on a half-hour, wave 4s are complex. Usually, they have a lot of movement to them, and this could be a bottom right here. Now, if we take a look at some RSIs, this thing is absolutely, in my opinion, 100% hit a bottom down here. All right, you got your 5 waves up. We're looking for that corrective structure. We got an ABC, so this, or a 5 wave down. So you could have a sideways ABC correction in here also. Let's take a couple measurements. So we have a bottom for a 5th wave. That has come in there for sure. All right, you could have a sideways ABC in here. There's just no 618s at all. If we look at this, I was trying to find, you know, there's nothing there. Pull it down here, there's nothing. You know, there's just no 618s in here. So I'm thinking it was a more than likely some kind of sideways ABC in here. Now we do have the, you know, something maybe like that there. ABC. We do have the 5 waves down in here, and this very well could be a bottom. All right, that could be our correction. Now, as far as the RSIs go, the daily, all right, is turned back up. Yesterday it wasn't quite turned up. There it goes. It's heading to the upside. The 3-day turned bullish, 45.7 to 44.2. The 5-day is at a 34.3 and a 34.9. All right, getting a little bearish on that 5-day right now, but that can tick up in a hurry. Okay, and as far as a weekly goes, the weekly's bullish. So we have all our big RSIs flipped bullish here. Okay, looking like that corrective mode could be over in here. Let's take a measurement right here on a weekly once and see if we have an ABC in here. Looks like we might. Went up to 786 right there. We have a corrective structure in there, no doubt about it. I mean, this is coming back up here. Yeah, I mean, we talked about this yesterday. It's getting through that 618 and 702. Now this is out on a weekly. You know, if you come in on a daily, here's the 5 waves we just covered right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is still putting us right up around that 618 and 702. We have all the big RSIs pointing to the upside. Okay, so what would be a target for this thing? Well, first off, we're going to have a target right, you know, we should have a retracement right up into this area here that I'm going to show you. All right, if this bottomed out right here, okay, the first pull up would be up towards 1182 to 1193. All right, if it breaks through 12 cents, you're looking up around 13 as the next target. This isn't quite on top. Yeah, right around 13 cents for the next target. Now if we go out on a higher time frame here, let's take a look. Yeah, that would be absolutely correct. Right. Well, you can see one, two, three, four. You can see 5 waves up through here. Yeah, I would definitely like to see a break of 12 cents here. All right, on this 8 hour, you can see one, two, three, four, five right there. And I would expect maybe that might give us just a little bit of trouble in here. This is on the 8 hour. Let's go in at 4. And it's amazing how you can break this down in here, but you can see it, plain as day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's measure this 5th wave. See, that's how they normally work out. Right to it. 1224 came up there. You got 2 closing candles. Right, that's definitely a 5th wave. All right, so this could give us a little bit of trouble, guys, getting up in here. Gonna have to watch out for an ABC in here. Okay, that I am expecting a run back up here. Retracement. I'm gonna put a box up here, and this is more than likely it's gonna hit this area. The question is, will it get through it? Right here. All right, I just went through this with render. If you go watch my render video, you got a pretty decent target for render for sure. That thing, it's got a 5th wave coming up. It's working on it. It's 5th wave. It's a little bit behind some of these other ones, but when it gets up in here towards that 11, 12 cent area, that is where we're going to run into a little bit of problems. I think if we get rejected there, you could be looking, you could be looking at an ABC here. We got all the high RSIs pointing towards the upside, but you usually expect an ABC in here, which would pull us down to about 10.4 if it gets rejected here. So we're gonna have to keep a very, very close eye on this area. No big deal if it does. Bitcoin's working on its 5th wave, which I think is going to pull everything else up. This would pull us up from where we're at now. You're looking, what is that? 7% move up or something here. That next target up at 13. If we get through this area, I kind of have my doubts. Here that is that's 20%. That's a 20% rise. So got to break that 12 cents first. I believe this might cause us a little bit of problems. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member. We have over 200 members in the members area. One of our members hit a $100,000 trade. You can check it out in Discord. Yeah, if you sign up for level 3, it's only $15. Get your Discord membership. 22 videos to teach how to chart. So check it out if you'd like. Would love to have you in there. Thank you so much, guys. I love you, and I'll talk to you soon.